Hey guys, this is Will from CryptoFromBed.com, and today guys, I have another great video for you guys. Today I'll be looking at cryptocurrency NEO against Bitcoin and US dollar. As you guys can see here, this is NEO against the US dollar, and currently NEO is trading just under $28 against the US dollar. As you can see here, we're still looking at a potential next bullish structure occurring. As you can see, basically this pattern. Just basically the same as this structure. So you have the first high, the first low, the next high. However, if you look based on the previous structure, you'll see that there will be another previous low which will be tested, which in that case we could potentially see NEO being tested to back at this key support back here, guys. We could see this. So some key supports you have to be looking at is, of course, this key support, which is pretty well established since the beginning of October, as you can see here, with price correlating with this, basically this kind of like a triangle pattern occurring right here, a 90 triangle pattern occurring with the support here. Of course, the next support is right here, and the strongest key support here correlating with the key support, correlating with the previous low and the last bullish structure. Once again, I'm expecting, if NEO continues this bullish structure as similar to its first one, you could potentially see NEO moving back down, potentially below $20, before moving back up for another bullish high. However, it's still relatively too easy to say. Nevertheless, I still think that there is still bearish potential in the short term, in the coming months ahead, in which NEO could be tested to these key supports, guys. Now, looking at the NEO against the Bitcoin, you see something, I guess, very different. You see here that NEO broke through key support. The buyers jumping back in, trying to pump up the price. But this was tested a few times for about 10 days in October before we see price falling. And now price seems to be falling from another pullback. So this is, of course, the first pullback, the next drop, second pullback, and we could potentially see basically NEO drop against the Bitcoin continues. Of course, the main reason for this fall is the fact that Bitcoin is just surging, and like I said, my prediction is the fact that Bitcoin could hit 7K by the end of this year, and that prediction seems to be more likely, as Bitcoin, I believe, is just under $6,170, I believe. And as we see Bitcoin surging past 6,500, we'll see NEO potentially pulling all the way back down to below 0.004 to these levels, guys. So some of the key support I'll be looking at is at this level, 0.0038, and this is because it's the previous low between NEO against the Bitcoin. Now, looking at the Bitcoin real quick, we know that it just made a new all-time high, hitting 6,300. I'll have a video updating about this soon, but as you can see here, all we see now is a spike, and it's really hard to basically come up with any analysis. But just it's important to keep in mind as Bitcoin surges, because what we'll see is that NEO prices will continue to fall as Bitcoin surges, as NEO is considered as an altcoin, not a mainstream coin. It still relatively has a low market cap. And once I said again, if you're holding NEO, I would highly recommend converting that to Bitcoin. As we can see here, the fall continues as it broke through this key support. You could potentially see another pullback up to this level, but nevertheless, I think it's eventually you will be aiming to get rid of NEO soon, if you want to be keeping it all in Bitcoin for the next hard fork, and as Bitcoin aims to hit 7K. For those of you guys who are interested in more analysis video regarding cryptocurrency trading or cryptocurrency mining, please visit CryptoFromBed.com. Good luck, traders, and have a nice day.